Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box. For a reliable automatic litter box that gets the job done, pick up the PetSafe Scoop-Free Ultra Automatic Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This best-selling product is a favorite among feline owners for a reason. It gets rid of waste automatically, so you don't have to clean, scoop, or refill the box for weeks. All you need to do is plug it into the closest outlet, and choose whether you want the cleaning cycle to kick in 5, 10, or 15 minutes after it senses your cat leaving the box. The sensor also tracks how many times your cat uses the box, which can help you monitor their health. The Scoop-Free Ultra uses leak-proof disposable trays with plastic lining. Every few weeks, you can remove the tray, toss it out, and replace it with a new one. To keep odors at bay, PetSafe recommends using its crystal litter, which dehydrates solid waste and absorbs urine. A hooded cover is also recommended to help control immediate smells and keep cat litter from spilling out. If you're looking for a litter box solution that'll make your life easier, this might be your best bet. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petmate Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Pan. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly self-cleaning litter box, you should consider the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Pan from Petmate. This product is relatively low-tech, no batteries or electricity required, and eliminates the need to scoop out waste. Its clever design allows the litter to pass through quickly and easily, while its compact size is ideal for apartments and smaller homes. This litter box comes complete with 2 reinforced antimicrobial plastic pans and a sifting tray. When it's time to clean the litter box, dump the dirty litter from the top pan into the empty pan with the sifting tray on top. Then, lift the sifting tray to sift out the clumps, dispose of the waste, and then switch the pans. Now, the cleaned litter will be on top, followed by the sifter, and empty pan on the bottom. At number 3, we have the Omega Paw Elite Roll-In Clean. Covered litter boxes can help control odor, and give cats privacy when they relieve themselves. If you're in the market for an automatic litter box with a cover, we recommend the Elite Roll-In Clean from Omega Paw. This self-cleaning and self-separating product features a rounded doorway with a small step, which helps catch litter as your feline climbs out. After your fur baby goes to the bathroom and exits, you roll the box over into the upside-down position. It uses a sifting grate to separate clean litter from waste and deposits it into a pull-out tray underneath. Once you remove the waste from the tray, you can roll the little box back to its original position. Also, IC tabs make it easy to remove the cover and fill it with kitty litter as needed. At number 2, we have the Little Maid Single Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. For a high-quality automatic cat box that doesn't break the bank, check out the Little Maid Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Using an attached rake-like tool, it automatically scoops waste into a waste receptacle, freeing you of scooping duties for up to a week. The waste receptacles have a tight seal, which makes for easy disposal and helps with odor control. A charcoal filter also works to contain smells. With high walls and a paw cleaning ramp, it's designed to prevent litter from getting onto your floors. This litter box comes in 2 variations, single cat and multi-cat. If you have multiple felines in your home, check out the multi-cat version. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nature's Miracle Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The self-cleaning litter box from Nature's Miracle is full of cool features. When your cat makes its way down the attached ramp, a smart detection motion sensor triggers it to automatically rake away waste. High walls prevent scattered litter, and the paw cleaning ramp reduces tracking around your home. This litter box also has a removable waste receptacle with carbon filters for easy disposal and odor control. Additionally, an LED nightlight helps both you and your pets see it in the dark. Similar to the Litter Maid box, this cat box comes in both single and multi-cat size options. While the manufacturer recommends its super absorbent litter, you can use any brand of clumping kitty litter. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.